What is up, seasoning gang and cravers? It's old Cravers with Carlos, and I'm back with another video. I'm asking that if you like these videos for new subscribers, please hit that subscribe button so you can help this channel to keep going. And I'm letting you know that I'm not a chef. I'm just a country cook, a man that likes to cook. So I'm going to be doing things maybe a little different than you do it in your kitchen. And always remember, your way is the right way. I'm just showing you my way. So let's get it. Let's go. Don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel. It keeps the channel going. Like a video here and there. You can even leave a comment. All right, see you in a minute. All right, so take a half teaspoon of each one of these seasonings that you see and put it into a cup or a bowl and stir them up so you can sprinkle it all over your pork chops. So you got seasoned oil, Cavendish Greek, Tony's Creole, the complete season, the flour is for battering, the pepper, and the sazon. If you need to stop the video and rewind it to see what I put on there, then that's what you need to do so that you can see what I put on there, and that way I can make this video quicker for you. All right, half teaspoon of each. Mix them up, and then your pork chops should look like this on both sides. All right, got your flour ready. You're gonna drop one end at a time and shake it up in the bag. Then set it to the side. Shake off any excess and put it on your drying rack or either in a paper plate. All right, we got those boys ready. Now let's go get the grease hot. We're gonna be cooking outside today. All right, we got old faithful cast iron skillet out here. We'll pour a little vegetable oil over in there, or oil of your choice, whatever you want to use. Didn't want to use my olive oil today because it burns so fast. But like I said, I'm gonna do these the old school country way. I'm gonna fill that about a third of the way. Some of you are probably wondering, Carlos, why didn't you season your flour? Because I'm doing this the old school country way, and I don't want all that extra salt in mine. I normally do that whenever I do an egg wash and make like a complete batter for deep frying. All right, let's get it, let's go. All right, for those of you that don't know when your grease is hot, your oil, whatever you want to call it, see it's waving and jumping around, you can even do the old school method and drop a little flour in there. See it starting to fry? It's ready for you to put those suckers in, so let's go ahead and get one dropped in. You want to leave some space in there whenever you're frying pork chops and chicken. You see that? You didn't even have to use a thermometer this time to see what the temperature of the oil was. Get one that size, drop it there, and then drop like another big one in there. And you're gonna put one more small one in there because you want to save some room. So let me find another small one. Otherwise, we're just gonna leave those two in there. This one is pretty decent. Let's get it dropped in. Leave a little airspace in between them. All right, we'll come back and check on those in about 2 minutes, and then we're gonna flip. Remember, you want them on like a low to medium heat so they're not frying any harder than this. If that grease is jumping all the way up to the top, you got it up too high. You can even turn it down just a little bit lower than this if you want to, so that they can fry slowly. All right, it's been like 2 minutes, so I'm gonna flip these. Pork chops cook faster than chicken. Them all flipped over. All right, wait another 2 minutes, and if we have to flip them again, we will. All right, we're gonna wait another 2 minutes, and if we have to flip them again, we will. But what you're looking for is like a brown coating on both sides after it's fried. See how that one's looking kind of red? We want these right here to be a little bit darker. All right, it's been like 2 more minutes. We're gonna flip these again. Don't want them to scorch on one side. See how they're turning red now on this side? That's what you want. That sazon comes out whenever you flip it. All right, give it like 1 more minute, then we're gonna take these out. All right, so for these, they're ready to come out and ready to put the other ones in. Remember, I did 2 minutes on one side, 2 minutes on the other side, then 1 minute and 1 minute. If your pork chops are thicker, then you want to cook them a little bit longer. You want to do 2, 2, 2, 2. Just keep going back and forth so they won't scorch on either side. The last two were so big that that's all will fit in the skillet. Anyway, look at that. Looking pretty good, huh? You can't have old school country style pork chops without fried okra. We usually have a fry day around the house, maybe once a month, because we don't eat fried food all the time. But hey, when we do, we make sure we fry everything. And last but not least, we gotta have potato wedges. Anyway, this concludes this video. See you again in the next one. Please subscribe, invite your friends, tell them all about it. Free recipes will be constantly coming. Thank you for watching. Let's get it, let's get it.